Yeah, well, you know, George, the best thing about that kind of sport is there's always next year. Well, now we'll go on location with a short segment here from our field reporter, Matthew Christian.
Thank you, Stan. I'm standing at the MetLife Customer Solutions Center here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, where recently the entire site experienced total rejuvenation. The center has replaced all the chairs within the site since they were 13 years old, broken, and uncomfortable. The associates received brand new ergonomically designed chairs. Although when some saw what the new chairs looked like, they were a little skeptical. When associates received the new chairs, sat down, and adjusted them to their liking, they realized that the chairs were awesome. The transition of the chairs took only 1 week, and the center celebrated all week long with word-find puzzles with words that related to chairs, an ugly chair contest from the old chairs, and an essay writing contest titled What My New Chair Means to Me, and a grand celebration day with treats provided to the associates and awesome MetLife prizes to the winners of the contests. With new chairs, renewed minds and bodies, the customer service consultants can focus more on customer centricity and comfortably provide exceptional customer service. This is Matthew Christian reporting on location, MetLife, Tulsa, Oklahoma. Back to you, Stan.
Thank you, Matthew. That was an interesting story. Well, folks, that's all the time we have. This is Stan, the Scoop Man, signing off. Until next time.